Hey guys, what's going on? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today we're going to do a new case study video. This is for an HVAC contractor. They do heating and air residentially, and this is over the last 30 days of data. Okay, so this is a call-only campaign as well. So on the landing page, there is no option to submit a contact form. So we're doing a big test here with this guy, and got rid of contact forms, only running phone calls. So every lead you're going to see in here is an inbound phone call, either from the landing page, someone lands on the page and calls one of the tracking numbers, or a call directly from the Google ad via the ad extension. So before I get into that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you are an HVAC company and you need leads, we can clone this campaign, this landing page, the keywords, ads, everything, swap in your information and deploy this campaign to your location as well for lead generation. So if that's of interest to you, make sure that you fill out the application. There's a link in the description of this video. There's an application where we can see if it's a good fit to do that. Or if you want to learn how to do this yourself, there's also links in the description to learn how to do Google Ads yourself. All right, so I'm not going to waste any more time here. I'm going to get to the meat for you guys. Last 30 days, which is October 23rd to November 21st, 2021. Again, this is a call-only HVAC campaign. This client is running Monday through Friday, $166 a day, so a very nice, healthy budget for HVAC. That's what we need. And well, I should say you can run HVAC campaigns on as little as $100 a day, Monday through Friday. But obviously, if you're 150 plus, you're going to get much better results. So last 30 days, okay, clicks, 89 clicks, 1,735 impressions. Click-through rate 5.13%. The average cost per click is $44.74. Now that is extremely high, but this is a very competitive niche in a very competitive location, so you got to pay to play. The total cost for last 30 days was $3,981, and they've gotten 38 leads. So 38 inbound phone calls at a cost per phone call of $104 and a conversion rate, campaign conversion rate of 42%. So that you can see here that this is the magic number that makes it all work. The conversion rate for this niche, you have to have a high conversion rate. Otherwise, the leads can get very pricey. I mean, I've seen them from competitors where the leads are well over $300 a lead for HVAC stuff. So 100 bucks a lead is where we want to be. Anywhere ideally between 75 and 100 is where I'd like to be, but 104, not a bad start. And you can see here we are running target CPA conversion actions. So if we go into the conversions, I'm actually going to walk you through how many calls came and where they came from. So we have our call extension lead here, and again, this is a call tracking number that is directly attached to the Google ad, so someone can just click to call this directly from their phone when they searched. And there was 18 inbound phone calls from the call extension lead. And again here, you can see we have phone call action. This is a conversion action where somebody clicks our ad, goes to the client's landing page website that we created, and they called one of the tracking numbers on the page. And there's 20 inbound phone calls from that. So pretty cool stuff. All phone calls, it's the only way to go with HVAC. They're just much more highly qualified leads. If we come in here, you can see all of the ad groups and which ones are driving leads. Heating repair is obviously crushing it, driving our most leads. Heating services, Colorado Springs, it's a geo ad group. Colorado Springs furnace is sending a lot. HVAC contractors, some couples trickling in. Furnace maintenance couple, one. And then not really much action on the rest of this. So this is not a big campaign. It's 13 ad groups. Let me go move this real quick, just so I can show you guys all the ad groups. Right, so 13 ad groups. Target CPA we have set at 95, and I will continually move this down a couple bucks every few weeks just to keep gradually decreasing the cost per lead until you get to a point where it's starting to affect volume. Then you don't want to mess with it anymore because you don't want to crush your lead volume. So out of the winning keywords, let's go see what's sending us all of our leads. Sort by conversions, and you can see here we are only going after phrase and exact match keywords, and here they are. These are the winners. Heating and air conditioning service sent 16 leads, so that's a monster keyword. That's a great keyword. So 16 out of 42 clicks. 16 phone calls out of 42 clicks. I'm extremely happy with that. That's awesome. Heating repair, HVAC contractor, geo keyword, Colorado Springs furnace, furnace service, Colorado Springs, furnace maintenance, heating repair, furnace repair, Colorado Springs. So this is why it's also important, if you watch my videos, my case studies, that you'll see that we do a lot of geo ad groups. So this is really important that you guys have these in your campaigns. It's even more important though that you have the right keywords with your geo ad groups, right? So you want to make sure they're higher intent. So if someone's searching for furnace repair in Colorado Springs, pretty much as high as intent you can get for this client, right? So they're going after furnace repair and somebody searching furnace repair Colorado Springs. Yeah, so it's just connecting people with what they're searching for and doing it as efficiently as possible. Then you got a bunch more geo conversions here. So again, really simple campaign, 38 leads. I'm happy with that. It's good volume. That's only going to increase with time. The longer we run, the more we optimize. That's going to eventually push over 50, and we'll drop the CPA probably 10 more bucks by the time we get to that point. So if you have any questions about this campaign or the heating and air niche in general, drop them in the comment section below this video. Again, if you are a heating and air contractor, you have a company and you want leads, we can clone this campaign and the landing page and everything we have and start sending you phone calls as well. So if that's of interest to you, make sure you fill out the application link in the description, and we'll get in touch and we'll walk you through how we can do this for you as well. Or if you just want to learn how to do this yourself, there's also links in the description to learn Google Ads. All right, guys, so that's all I got for you today. More case studies coming. I know I've been slacking lately, but we got a bunch more coming, so stay tuned. All right, guys, bye.